I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Audi Q7. First of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on like so. Then we go to telephone, click telephone, search for a new mobile phone, click OK. It's looking. We just keep an eye on the bottom here. Sometimes it comes up before it comes up on the screen in certain cars. There you go, Barry's iPhone 10. So it's picked it up. Click OK. Hands-free, click again. It's connecting, please wait. Accept pin 2345, yes. 2345, pair. Do you want your contacts and favourites to sync? I don't, unfortunately. I won't be using the car. I think John's got his heart set on this. And that's it, it's all connected. That's how you do it.